This is Oliver Slope with Blue Line Futures coming to you from the floor of the CME here in Chicago with your livestock roundup. And we've seen kind of a mixed trade here throughout the course of the week, a little bit higher, a little bit lower, but really going nowhere fast, which is still a little bit of a caution flag for us, especially in that live cattle market where we saw the big gap lowers about 2 weeks ago on the back of that Tyson fire. We thought that there was a chance to see a sharp rebound on things that got maybe overdone to the downside, but the lack of follow through and what would potentially be an arbitrage opportunity hasn't happened. And if it was an arbitrage opportunity, it would have happened already. So the lack of a bounce after that big break in discount and price is still slightly concerning for that October contract. Specifically, 101 to 102 is going to be a big barrier for the bulls to get out above. I'm not sure they're going to have the muster to do it before the end of the week, but that's what we're keeping an eye on. If they can get a conviction close out above here, potentially that sparks a run closer towards 105 to 106 and kind of narrow that gap with the cash market. Now, on the feeder side of things, still kind of trading sideways as well. A little more bearish on that still. 135 to 136 for that October contract is the big wall of resistance there. Until the bulls can achieve consecutive closes out above there, the bears remain in control, and a break below 130 takes us to retest the recent lows. Now, wrapping things up with the lean hog market, lean hogs October, finally getting some follow through. Thankfully, because we got some good exports here this morning, and also just kind of a overall renewed optimism, the fact that we weren't able to break down to new lows as of late, but that is not out of the question yet. We've got a lot of headwind and resistance above the market. 65 to 66 is what we're keeping an eye on. A close out above there potentially takes us to a relief rally closer towards 70. Kind of still upbeat on the hog market, but not necessarily October. I think you're going to want to give yourself some time, go out to December and February on that front. So that's what we're looking at to wrap up the week. That's what you should be looking at too. This has been Oliver Slope with Blue Line Futures from the floor of the CME.